Okay, Josh, we're out here in Gravelly Lake, Washington, and looks like we're putting, well, we put our new roof down.
Yeah.
And then we're putting down
a TPO roof or a PVC roof.
Okay, and what was the square footage up there on the roof? Do you have any idea what we put down for the comp?
The comp, it looks about 20 squares, right around there. The TPO or the PVC is 8 squares.
Okay.
So. Though everybody loves it.
Good. And what's the reason that you think the homeowner went with the?
Just the torch down and stuff is faulty. It leaks a lot, and this new PVC is good stuff. It's lifetime. You never need a new roof up there. No leaks. It's good.
Okay.
So.
And so what do you got left to go now?
We got about another 5 squares to do. Maybe. Yeah, about 5.
And molding or anything like that?
We're going to be welding it together. So getting it all buttoned up and leak proof.
Awesome. So how long do you think the total job took, do you think, to get this done?
About 2 days for the 8 squares, and then about 2 days for the comp too.
Okay, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it looks awesome.
Okay,
so.
Another happy customer.
Yes, sir.
All right, that'll work. Thanks, man.
Yep.